Sonia writes from the heart, you know, and she writes in the language of the people. And when you hear her, I mean, you can't help but move, you know, the power of it. And that's why when she talks about the idea of those of who've been marginalized, she gives voice to that. Being the college professor, you know, she doesn't write in that, she writes a lot in the vernacular, you know, of the people. And we'd be bad, you know, that kind of thing. So it's, it gives you a sense of power.
You know how people talk about certain music, like Motown is the soundtrack of our lives. Well, for me, Sonia Sanchez's poetry is really giving voice to my life. I guess I probably was introduced to her work while I was a high school student, definitely college. So I can't really remember a time when I wasn't aware of Sonia Sanchez and her work. I admire her so much. Of course, I admire her as a writer and a strong woman and activist, but I admire her humility and her kindness and her generosity of spirit, because whenever I've met her, she's just always been so kind, and not just to me, you know, as somebody who may be working the event, but to everybody who comes to talk with her or ask her questions. She always has time, and I admire that so very, very much. She's a wonderful woman.
In her writing, it's a feeling of the blues, it's a feeling of sorrow, it is a feeling of emotional gaiety. All those things are in her verse.
When I think about Sonia Sanchez, I think about a person who uses poetry, uses the word to speak the truth, especially to young people. And I think that she cares about people all over the world, but I think she very much cares about young people in Alabama. And I saw her speak to a whole gymnasium full of students and keep their attention. And then I saw her go into a classroom and read a poem that spoke to young women about why they should respect their bodies. And this was pretty radical, to be in a 9th grade classroom saying this to a bunch of teenagers. And her power as she did this was the thing that I noticed the most. And the girls listened, and the boys kind of sat up like, are they talking about me? But it really made an impression that she was using her poetry to give a very important message.